Today we are gonna make a temporary tattoo. So you just need few things. First, I don't have the required paper, so I am using a plain drawing paper, and you needed a pen, an ink pen. My friend just suggested me to use gel pen, so I am using this one. I don't know which pen it is still, but it's better. And a little bit drawing skill. Boiling water too, just like boiling, not warm water, and a cloth. So first we have to make something. So hmm, 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 then cut it out. After this, I know I am a very good artist in this. Thank you. So after this, you need a warm water. You needed a warm water, just like get a little warm water. Don't be like, it shouldn't be too hot, because you are just gonna put it on your screen. And I just remember that I have to clean some of my means like body hair, a clean area where I can put my tattoo. So I just sacrifice some of my forearms hair. Now it's way too difficult for me to record and do this, but I will find a way. Wait. So now I just means like clean some of my forearms hair. Now I need is just this and a cloth. I just dip it inside the warm water. It's a little bit warmer. So now it's something which I was a little bit confused first. So there will be a plain side and the ink side. Put that ink side where you want. It's like I decided to do this here. Now put the ink side near to the skin and the plain side up, and just hold it for 30 seconds. 30 30 Still waiting. It's really good. I hope this works. It's like I don't know it work or not. My friend just suggests me. It's like people like me who do means like I don't want to have want to regret afterwards that I did a tattoo which I can't remove. So yeah, this is the alternative for that, because I want a tattoo because it's look cool, nothing else. I can't do anything. This is the society's fault. We copy each other after all. I just put it here for a little longer. I think 30 seconds are passed. Ooh, now remove it. Wow, we failed. Literally, we failed. Literally. But I think it can work. It can work. Just wait a minute. 2 minutes. Thank you. My mic just dropped. Just 2 minutes. Now I just made another one. I think it's just depend how you make it. It's like if you do a smaller one, it won't work. So I am trying this again. It was hard to remove it. I just put it right there, and then the warm water. I hope this time works. Fuck. My fingers are just like on ink. Now just 30 seconds. Ooh, 4, 3, 2, 1. Because I didn't remember when I started. I hope it's okay. Very good, very good. Yep, it's way too light because I didn't did this a very well piece. If you literally do better drawing than me, which is obvious you can, so it will be a very good tattoo. It's like if you see, it can focus on. If you see, if I put it for a little longer, it will be like this whole stuff will be printed here, literally, because I can see this line, small lines, and this line, this cross was not too bad. I think this works, and like this, I can't remove it. My hands are literally like not what we get. They are wet from the water, so like they are not removing. But my fingers are literally, my fingers are not even getting the ink. So it's good if you want a temporary. I think it will last for 2-3 days. One day, I am sure. So, peace.